Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can remove followers from Twitter. It's a very simple process. Hope you guys can follow through. And yeah, this is how you can do it. So Twitter does not let you natively remove your followers, but there is a workaround for this, a small trick that you can use in order to remove the people that you don't want to be followed from anymore. So the first thing you want to do is log into your profile. Once you're here, tap on your profile. And as you can see, I have one follower. I'm going to quickly show you how I'll remove this follower by using this trick. So I'll click on the followers option, and this is the person that follows me. If I want to remove this person, all I have to do is click on the three dots on the right side of the profile. Once you're here, click on block. Once you block that person, quickly undo the blocking, which means unblock the person immediately within the next second. Once you do that, you will see that that follower is no longer in my followers list. So yeah, hope you guys found this video helpful. This is how you can remove followers from Twitter. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.